Now I give very important information about the NET UGC NET exam held on 25 to 29 June. Listen carefully whole video. Now the worry news that the city slip still not declared. It accepted that the city slip declared on the 15 June but still not declared about the city slip. So what the candidate can do to check about the city slip, the candidate goes to the authorized website of the UGC NET. What is the website name? UGCnet.enta.ac.in. UGCnet.enta.ac.in. Goes to the website. The link is given. Click on that link and fill the information. You can get the city slip. So check that website regularly. You get the admit card on 21st June. Yeah, you can get the admit card on 21st June. The NET exam, UGC NET exam, University Grant Commission National Eligibility Test exam carried from the 25 to 29 June. 25 to 29 June on the two session from 9 to 12 AM and 3 to 60 PM about 85 subjects. For the 85 subjects, it is very important exam held twice in the year in June and December, and very important exam for the admission to the PhD or for the job of the assistant professor. So go to that website. I say you can city slip, check about the city slip, and also the center, exam center. Which is the exam center? Check on the website. I again told UGCnet.nta.ac.in, UGCnet.nta.ac.in. Share this important information for the maximum students so they get the solution. Share this. Thanks.